sometimes you got to work out the kinks. Sometimes you need to go have some slight missteps in order to get the correct stepping and correct movement in your leadership. And plus, at the same time, you're trying to figure out what is your leadership style. Is your leadership style very micromanagement? Is it very aggressive? There's so many different styles out there, but you need to have a style. My style that I would recommend is an influence style. What does that mean? I influence the team, I equip the team, I inspire the team, and then at the same time, I hold the team accountable for what the thing they said they were going to do. Point number three: fear of failure. Mm, mm. Listen, family, I know that your very first project as the project manager, you don't want to fail. Who wants to fail? But you have to understand and recognize that failure is part of the learning and the growth.